Hi friends and welcome to Government Exam Web. Today's video is on tricks to remember direct and indirect taxes. Direct tax. A direct tax is paid directly by an individual or organization to an imposing entity. A taxpayer, for example, pays direct taxes to the government for different purposes, which includes real property tax, personal property tax, income tax, or taxes on assets. Direct taxes are different from indirect taxes, where the tax is levied on one entity, such as a seller, and paid by another, such as a sales tax, which is paid by the buyer in a retail setting. Types of direct tax: wealth tax, property tax, corporate tax, and income tax. An indirect tax, such as sales tax, per unit tax, value added tax, or goods and services tax, that is GST, is a tax collected by an intermediary from the person who bears the ultimate economic burden of the tax, such as the consumer. The intermediary later files a tax return and forwards the tax receipts to government with the return. In this sense, the term indirect tax is contrasted with a direct tax, which is collected directly by the government from the persons on whom it is imposed. Types of indirect tax: excise tax, custom tax, service tax, market tax, and entertainment tax. So the trick for direct and indirect tax is wipro.co.in. Friends, this is a very simple trick and you can remember it easily. It's wepro.co.in. So V stands for wealth tax, Pro stands for property tax, Co stands for corporate tax, and In stands for income tax. The trick for indirect taxes is excuse me. You might find it funny, but this is another simple trick to remember the taxes. EX stands for excise tax, CU stands for custom tax, SE stands for service tax, M stands for market tax, and E stands for entertainment tax. So the trick goes as excuse me, which is EX excise tax, CU custom tax, SE service tax, M market tax, and E is entertainment tax. The important point which is to be noted is that indirect tax system is currently mired in multi-layered taxes levied by the center and the state governments at different stages of the supply chain, such as excise duty, octroi, central sales tax, which is CST, and VAT, among others. In GST, all these will be subsumed under a single regime. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Government Exam Web for more videos. And how you like the video, please let us know in the comment section.